What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're going to be looking at a screen protector. Now this isn't just a normal screen protector, it's actually a tempered glass screen protector. I unboxed the Galaxy Note 9 a few weeks ago and I got an OtterBox case, which I just took it out so we can do this, but the OtterBox Defender usually comes with a screen protector built into it. The new models do not. I don't know why they didn't include it this time, but they didn't. I thought maybe it was because it was difficult because it's a curved glass, but how would they have glass screen anyway? So I went online and I went to look for a good one and I found this. This is 9H hardness. I forgot what it is on the hardness scale of what that is, but it's strong. It's pretty scratch resistant. There's also 0 bubbles. Now it's only 0.3 millimeters thick, so it's a super thin piece of glass and it's supposed to be extremely easy to install. It's actually by a company called amFilm or amFilm, and they actually make glass screen protectors for a lot of things, like a lot of the Google phones. They even make them for the Nintendo Switch. Okay, so lifetime warranty card, which is always good. You've got your guide, which shows you step by step on what to do. You've got a wet wipe, a dry wipe, a microfiber cloth. You have dust removal stickers. These come in really handy because even after the dry and the wet wipes, sometimes you may still see a couple little specks of like dust or something, and that's what these are for. What's really neat about this is that it comes with this little, it's like a little frame. This ensures that you put it on there the right way every time. And then you have the little tray here with the glass screen protector. Now, I actually have another one right here that I tested out beforehand, and we're gonna break it. Okay, so first off, we're gonna start with a little microfiber cloth. And I'm gonna get the wet wipe. This part of the process, you definitely want to take your time with it. You wanna do it right, because once it's on there, you're not gonna wanna peel it off. And then the dry wipe. Now this will ensure that you have a very nice shiny surface with no liquid residue dried up on it or anything like that. But there we go. So now it's brand new all over again. Depending on the device that you get it for, each little frame, it's actually got cutouts on the sides for the buttons. So you just set it on there. There we go, and that's it. Okay, so you can see there's a little tab here, and what you want to do is pull that off, and that's going to expose all the adhesive. Now all the adhesive is on the black part. So now, all you gotta do is line it up. And once you get it down, you just push real firmly, take this off, and then continue to rub the sides, making sure that it's nice and stuck on there. And then you just give it a good wipe down. So there we go. You can see it covers everything except the main camera right there, but all the sensors have glass over it now, and you can just barely see like the edge of the glass itself. OtterBox cases, they're pretty tight. They're very, very tight fit cases, so it's thin enough to where it doesn't pose a problem. There we go. Now I've got a fully protected phone, even with the new OtterBox case that does not have a screen protector. See, and it's very responsive. It works perfectly. Love this thing. It's great. Highly suggested. But the real reason why we all stuck around, there we go. Let's break this thing. I got this glass bowl just in case. Now, I don't have any protective eye stuff, so don't do this at home. This is not a good example of how you should be doing this, but I want to show this off. I'm gonna avert my eyes while I break it. So wish me luck. Oh yeah, that's definitely glass. It definitely has some sort of protective layer that's keeping it all together, because, I mean, you can see it's just destroyed this whole thing. Yeah, I'm glad I did it in a bowl because I'm seeing glass dust and stuff. All right, I'm gonna dispose of this properly. It's like 11 bucks for a screen protector. It's a pretty good deal considering what you're getting. You're getting real glass. But all right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.